Pinakahihintay ng mga Pilipino na gintong korona, makakamit na nga ba dahil si Miss Grand International 2024 first runner-up Christine Julie Ann Opiaza, kakoronahan bilang first ever Miss Grand International from Philippines. Ito na nga ang pinakahihintay ng mga Pinoy, ang pinakaunang Golden Crown ng Miss Grand International. Trending ngayon at pinag-uusapan ang isyu ng pagtanggal ng korona ni Mr. Nawat mula sa ulo ni Miss Grand International 2024 winner Rachel Gupta. Ngayong araw ng May 28, ayon sa official announcement post ni Mr. Nawat Itcharagrisel sa MGI official page, the Miss Grand International Organizations hereby announces the termination of Miss Rachel Gupta's title as Miss Grand International 2024 effective immediately. This decision follows her failure to fulfill her assigned duties, engagement in external projects without prior approval from the organization, and her refusal to participate in a scheduled trip to Guatemala. As a result, the organization has resolved to revoke her title with immediate effect. Miss Rachel Gupta is no longer authorized to use the title associated with Miss Grand 2024. We requested that the crown be returned to the MGI head office within 30 days from the date of this notice. At dahil nga sa anunsyong ito, automatikong si CJ Opiaza ang papalit sa pwesto bilang first runner-up, at ayon sa post ni CJ, nagparamdam na agad sa kanya ang mga big boss ng MGI through phone, at formal naman niya iyong tinanggap. Makikita nga sa post ng MGI page na soon to come ang Real Queen, showing CJ on the video. Bali-balita na may magaganap na huge crowning event para sa pagtanggap ni CJ sa corona. Ngayong June 3 gaganapin ang coronation sa Thailand at for sure dadaluhan ito ng mga friends and family ni CJ at ng kanyang mga fans. Noong Mr. Nawat, lagi siyang may pasabog at ayaw niya ng cheap. Remember noong tinanggap ni Roberta Tamondong ang 5th runner-up position, bilang kapalit sa nagretirong 5th runner-up, Mr. Nawat gave her a crowning moment in a stage with audience. 5th runner-up pa lamang yan, what more pa kung queen talaga, for sure na isang engranding crowning moment ang naghihintay kay CJ, alam naman natin ang branding ng MGI, grand kung grand, kaya expect na natin ang pasabog na ito, although almost 5 to 6 months na lamang ang remaining reign ni CJ as queen, still she got the crown and title as the first ever Miss Grand International winner from Philippines. Anong masasabi mo rito? Please comment down below, please like and subscribe. Thank you.